Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be talking all about this Clare v. Moyen messenger bag. So I have become a fast fan of Clare v. After grabbing this fanny, gosh, maybe a year. I don't know how long I've had this one. A good while, a couple of months. I've shared it in a couple of videos. I actually have a full review on this one, but I grab for this fanny a lot. I love the look of it. It has held up so nicely. The leather is just so good on this one, as well as the hardware. I get a ton of compliments on it. So I knew I wanted to try some other items from Clare v, and this Moyen messenger bag was at the top of my list. I'm so excited to try it out. Just like that fanny, the material is so good. The leather is so yummy. The hardware is substantial. I just think it is a really fantastic bag. I'm gonna go through it really briefly with you, kind of try it on so that you can see what it looks like on the body, and then we're gonna pack it up to see what fits inside. Just like with all my review and packing videos, I will have a link to my What's in My Bag blog page, which goes through everything that I typically would pack in any of my bags. So if you've seen something packed inside of there, that you kind of want to link to and you're curious about, the odds are you're probably going to find it in that page. So along with that blog page, I will also have, of course, the link to today's bag. All right, so as far as the outside of this bag goes here, there are no external pockets, and you do have a little bit of kind of like a stitching down here at the bottom, which is really nice, especially when you have it like packed full. It just kind of helps it hold like its shape a little bit. But the leather is this like woven material that is so nice. I cannot stress enough how nice their materials are. Like I said, no pockets on the outside as far as the front or the back or the side or anything like that. You have one nice zipper that opens up all the way. The zippers are so buttery soft. And then the inside, which I really liked on this one, has a jean kind of blue denim fabric that I thought complemented this brown so well. Like, I love it. And I love that it's a color, yet it's light, so you can see everything that's kind of packed inside. As far as the inside goes, which you're gonna see better when I put the camera down, you do have one big like open kind of pocket, but other than that, you don't have any type of internal like organization on this one. I went ahead and threw just like two quick things in here so that you can see what it looks like with a couple of things inside of it. I know sometimes I try on the bags at the beginning of my videos and there's nothing in them, so sometimes the look of it tends to look a little bit different when you have things packed inside. So went ahead and packed it up here, but you have two different straps that come with this bag. I will likely just keep both of them on the bag at all times because then I can kind of alternate from them easily. But you have this thicker, shorter shoulder strap here, and then you also have this thinner, longer like crossbody strap. Neither of the straps are adjustable, but you can easily buy other straps also on their website. I think they have a couple of different ones. I haven't really looked at them closely, but they have a couple of shorter accent straps, and I believe some other like longer messenger straps. Don't quote me on that. I'm not 100%, but these are removable, obviously, so you can change them up if you want. I am 5'0", just for size reference, when I try this on, and I find the strap length to be perfect for me. Almost like a little bit long. So if you are taller, I think you would be fine with the length of this particular strap. As you can see here, it fits kind of right here at like my hip bones, and I think that it's a really comfortable length if you want to wear this one, obviously messenger style. This here is like what it like looks like on the body, and then of course you can use the shoulder strap as well, and that is equally just as comfortable. I love how it kind of hobos a little bit because the fabric is like nice and soft. I really like the look of it. I like kind of the hardware here at the top of it. And like I said, I would probably just like leave both straps attached so that I could use either one whenever I kind of wanted to use it. You could almost, I don't know. You could wear this, the shorter strap. No, you can't. It's just too big. I was gonna say you could maybe wear it as like a sling on the front, but that kind of looks ridiculous. So not a good option there. But I thought I would just, you know, first lengthwise, like show you what that looked like. All right, let's go ahead and put the camera down so that you can see this one all packed up. All right, just as I thought, this bag packs up so good. It is so soft and slouchy. It doesn't have much structure to it at all, but I think that's what kind of makes it awesome. Like it's really, I mean, slouchy is just, I mean, the only word that I can think of. I did grab my notebook and my planner, which I'm gonna show you. Both fit in here great, but I wouldn't use this bag to carry them, to be perfectly honest, just because I like the slouch and the softness and the kind of hobo that this bag does whenever you have like smaller things packed in it, if that makes sense. But if you did want to kind of one-off carry a planner or a notebook, I will show you how that fits inside. I did keep both of the straps on here. I've been carrying it, and this is just kind of how I use it. I actually use them both pretty equally. I like the messenger strap, and I also really like this short, kind of wider shoulder strap. So I have both of those on there. The zipper is crazy smooth. I love the hardware on the bag. And then when you open it up, this is kind of how I have it packed up. You can really see everything that you have inside, like no problem whatsoever. Like I mentioned with the notebook and the planner, I don't like packing like taller things in them because I like the extra fabric to give it that softness. So as you can see, there's one pocket right here, and then everything else just kind of sits in the bag. I'll just kind of start, I guess, pulling stuff out. I did plop my cell phone down in here. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, just for size reference. And I just had that kind of in there. You can obviously throw it anywhere, or you can put it inside the side pocket if you wanted to. I also have tucked down in here my memory card case that I just carry my cards when I'm back and forth from the office editing and whatnot. I also have my pill case tucked down in here. You guys know I love that and always have that with me. I also have a full pack of gum that fits down in there, no problem. And then I have, I think that's all. Those are all like the smaller things besides what's in this pocket. I'll actually pull these out since I'm grabbing the small things. I have my hand cream tucked down in there. I have a Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer, my keys that are attached to the little loop that came in that wallet from Target that we all love. Just kind of kept that on there. I also have my AirPods down in there. This is a case off of Amazon that I love so much. It has a little kind of hook on it. You guys have seen that in a couple of videos now. Nothing inside the rest of that pocket there. Then I have my Mina Bay wallet right down in there. I think it's a great kind of little match. You have card slots on this side, pocket, zip pocket, and then nothing over here. So I have that, which fits in there great. My Kindle, of course, such a perfect match with this bag. It's like they were made for each other, right? So that down in there. And then last but not least, the only other thing that I have down in here is a Mina Bay medium pouch. This is in their pouch trio set, and inside here I actually just have all of my small stuff, my little on-the-go mirror, my teeth, little flossers, eye drops, cuticle cream, all of the lip products, band-aids, emergency pads, hair ties, all that kind of stuff. Just kind of tucked down in there. So that is everything that I've packed inside. It is a great everyday bag. It really truly is. You can fit more in it even than what I had packed in it, but again, I would probably stray away from like taller items. I have here my 8.5 by 11 planner and notebook, and I will show you that they do fit in here, like no problem whatsoever. You can zip it and everything, like no issues, but it just kind of adds like structure to the bag, and I like it soft and slouchy. And when you put these items in there plus all the other items that I had, it really just looks too full in my opinion. But you definitely could use this for a book or a smaller notebook or something like that, or even like a big planner like I have. It's just not like personal preference, but they do fit just fine down inside. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this Clare V Moyen Messenger bag. I highly, highly recommend it. I think that it is such a nice bag, especially for spring and summer. Comes in a ton of different colors. I will have it linked down below, as well as everything that you saw inside my bag. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.